Let me show you how to make this super simple, no-bake cheesecake with a creamy vanilla filling and a buttery cookie crust. First, you need 125 grams of cookies, which is about 4 ounces, so that you can crush them into 1 cup of cookie crumbs. Digestive biscuits, graham crackers, Biscoff, or Oreos all work. Crush them until they look like fine sand, with no big chunks. Then, pour in 50 grams of melted butter, which is 1/4 cup, right over the crumbs that we just crushed. Mix until the crumbs look evenly coated, kind of like a wet sand, as you can see in the video here. Next, take a 7-inch springform pan, then lightly brush the inside with a little butter. This helps the paper stick. Press a piece of parchment paper onto the bottom so it lies flat with no big wrinkles. Also, I like to cover the side of the pan with a strip of parchment paper too. Scoop the cookie crumb mixture into the pan. Spread it out first, then press it down firmly into an even layer. The bottom of a cup works really well for this. Then, leave it aside for a moment. Next, melt 150 grams of white chocolate, which is about 5.3 ounces. Use a water bath so it melts slowly and stays smooth. Stir as it melts and stop once it is fully glossy with no lumps. Then add 300 grams of full-fat cream cheese and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to a bowl. I like to use an electric mixer to mix until it looks smooth and creamy with no lumps. Next, in a separate bowl, add 200 milliliters of heavy cream, which is 3/4 cup. Whip it until it looks thick and holds its shape. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes with an electric mixer. Next, scoop all of the cream cheese mixture into the bowl with the whipped cream. Use a spatula and fold gently until everything looks smooth and fluffy with no streaks. Go slow and do not stir hard, because you want to keep the whipped cream light so the filling sets up nicely. Next, scoop the cheesecake filling into the pan over the cookie crust. That is the perfect consistency for the filling, as you can see in the video here. Spread it out to the edges, then smooth the top with a spatula or the back of a spoon. Tap the pan lightly on the counter a few times to knock out any air bubbles. Refrigerate the cheesecake for at least 6 hours or overnight if you can. It should feel firm around the edges and set in the middle before you slice it. Once the cheesecake is nice and firm, take it out of the fridge and remove the sides of the springform pan. Go slowly and lift the ring straight up. Then, carefully peel off the parchment paper. If it sticks a little, peel it back in a slow, steady pull so the edges stay smooth. You can sprinkle some cookie crumbs on top or decorate it however you like. Fresh fruit also looks great and adds a nice pop of flavor. You can also pipe some whipped cream around the edge or finish it with shaved white chocolate for a simple bakery look. This vanilla cheesecake tastes really creamy with that soft sweetness from the white chocolate. The filling feels smooth, but it still firms up enough to cut nice, clean slices. Then you get that buttery cookie crust underneath, which gives it the perfect little crunch. If you like this easy, no-bake cheesecake recipe, you should also check out my other super simple cheesecake recipe here that uses just 3 ingredients. I do cheat a bit with that one by using 1 ingredient that does a lot of the work for you, but it still turns out great.